the practice session doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be an hour. For most of my clients, they actually practice maybe about 15 to 20 minutes a day, and that's fine. That's more than enough, as long as you do this. Your practice session needs to have structure and it needs to have purpose. You have to go into the practice session and instead of going, you know what, I'm just gonna do all these warm-ups, I'm gonna do all these exercises and just then sing afterwards, you have to go in with an intent. And I've shared this little model with some of the people who did the group training today, which is there's really 3 parts to your practice. You've got your warm-up, you've got your workout, and you've got your application. Right? If you're short on time, I would encourage you to follow the structure because the warm-up is about establishing habits, getting good breath flow, making sure that things are working. Your workout is about training in a new habit, right? That's what workouts are for, right? Training in a new habit, whether it be building some of your high notes. Maybe it's about managing your breath better. Maybe it's about learning to articulate. That could be part of your workout. And then finally, application to song. Because what's the point of doing all these exercises if you don't apply it to a song? And that being said, with this kind of 3 little ideas, you want to make sure that if you've got 15 minutes of practice, for now, split them 5-5-5. If you've got 30 minutes of practice, split them 10-10-10. Just follow this golden ratio and see if you can follow. And now, of course, as you get more experience, sometimes you might be like, hey, I really don't need to warm up that long. I only warm up for a minute and I'm sweet. Cool, that's fine. Just shift the allocation around, but start off with this 5-5-5, 10-10-10. Just split it in thirds for now. And so I hope that answers your question, right? Because if you're really busy, and I totally get a lot of people out there have very busy lifestyles, to find that time, you need to, number 1, ask yourself, is this even a priority? If it's a priority, cool. Number 2, create your little kind of routine, right? And you can follow this kind of warm-up, workout, application, warm-up, workout, application, right? And if you have 15 minutes, perfect. If you have 30 minutes, perfect. If you have an hour, perfect. Whatever you need to get there.